Hey guys, Walter here from Elastio with a pretty exciting update on the AWS portion of Elastio. We can now add S3 scanning to what we can do, right? So you have your EC2, your EBS volumes, EFS, and now S3 buckets, which we can do for a variety of reasons. Let's say you're migrating all your data up to AWS. You want to make sure that data is clean. We can set it to scan as soon as it's added there. And what we do, so the nice part is we use on-demand instances. So you don't have to set up your environment for scanning these S3 buckets. Let's say you're doing a daily scan of everything that's new. We don't have something running all the time. Just as needed, we'll spin up a spot instance, scan that data, and then we'll terminate that instance, right? So it'll end up lowering costs for your scanning, and it's the lowest price by far of anything that we have out there for scanning specifically for S3 data. So let's take a look at how we'd get it set up. It's super simple. I already have a policy set up here for my S3 scans. The protection policy that I have set up is every hour I'm going to scan new data. So we're not going to scan old files multiple times, right? So I've got multiple buckets. You can additionally set it up to scan objects with just specifically only go back a month. Anything newer than a month, we'll scan that. And you can also break it down by path. So you can go by a specific path, a prefix, or a glob, right? So you have a lot of different options for scanning this. That way you don't have to scan the entire bucket, right? And when you see that something has happened, so if Elastio detects that there's something in one of those, you'll see everything, the majority of things here are green. Oh no, I found something in this specific bucket. You go into more details, it'll tell you the specific path and exactly what the infection is. So you can go back in there and remove that, go back to an earlier point in time when that file wasn't in there. And it just makes it really easy to know what's in your data. So please feel free to reach out. If you have any questions, reach out to Elastio, and we'd love to show you this in real life. Take care.